Using on-screen icons above the physical function keys on Siemens HMI panels is a handy way to show their function. But there is an even better way. Tools icon take up valuable screen space, and on smaller panels like the KTP400, every pixel matters. Instead, use a little known feature: printed labels that slide right under the physical buttons. To make these labels, Siemens offers a free tool called SIMATIC HMI Label Creator. Just select your panel model and design your own label and print them. Exported files looks in this way. You can just print out this file. You can download this software from our official Siemens website.